This is one of the spotting items. Flowers adapted to pollination by different agencies, wind, insects, and birds. Now, in case a flower like this is kept for spotting, then viva questions can be: what is entomophily, which is the transfer of pollen from anther to stigma by insects. Now, if you have to write two features, any two features you can write, like the flowers are showing brightly colored petals, they're fragrant to attract the insects, and they have nectar, their pollen grains are sticky, stigma is also sticky in order to ensure that the insects visit them, contact them. And pollen grains will also stick to their bodies. If an image like this is kept, now we do not see any colorful petals or flowers or anything. So this belongs to the grass category. And that would be always pollinated by wind. The adaptations to wind pollination. Now wind pollinated plants, that is also called anemophily. The flowers are small, they lack fragrance and nectar, and usually they will not have any brightly colored petals. Stamens and anthers, they have long filaments for anthers that hang outside. So anthers will be hanging outside the flower in order to release the pollen grain into the wind. Pollen grains produced will be non-sticky, they will be dry, lightweight, so that it can be easily carried away in the wind. And stigma will be large, feathery and branched. That is to trap airborne pollen grain. Some of the examples are maize, any grass, wheat, rice, etc. If you are given a flower like this, like bignonia, that will be pollinated by birds. So they will be called as ornithophily. The adaptations to bird pollination or bird pollinated flowers or ornithophily, the flowers tubular designed for nectar sucking birds like sunbirds. So you can see they will be tubular. Color, they will be brightly colored, red, orange or yellow to attract the birds. But scent-wise, they are odorless and they won't have fragrance, as birds have a poor sense of smell, that's why. But there will be lots of nectar. Nectar will be abundant.